Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you're all doing fine. My name is Sara and on this channel I teach Urdu as a second language. Today we're going to learn Urdu with a show called Jackson Heights. I've never seen the whole show, I just watched the first episode for this video. We're going to watch some clips and we're going to learn Urdu with it. Jackson Heights is a Pakistani comedy drama. It tells the stories of overseas Pakistani and Indians living in Jackson Heights, New York. This is Salma, who works in a hair salon, and she's the sole breadwinner of the family. In the scene that we're gonna see, Salma meets Imran for the first time. Imran is a cab driver and is a very sweet and lovely guy. A lot of my American and British students watch Pakistani and Indian dramas and they love it. And I love learning languages and teaching languages with movies and dramas. Now let's get started.
Uh, 23rd Street and 6th, please.
I'm done today. No work.
Why? Your cab is empty.
I know empty, but no go today.
They're talking in English.
Finish.
It's not late even.
I know, but time go
Farigh
home.
hona. Farigh hona means to be free or to get free.
But why? Please drop me first.
Oh, you take another cab.
Oh, Fallah.
Musliman?
Kyun?
Desi Musliman?
It's none of your business.
Okay, no, go.
So Desi, as you probably all know, is the word used to describe the people, cultures and things related to Indian subcontinent and diaspora. Let's continue watching.
Just go to 23rd Street and 6th, please.
No go now.
But why?
Done today, no passenger, go home.
हाँ, लेकिन क्यों?
Oh, Desi.
It's a day before Eid, so I think that's why they're a bit agitated and kind of in a hurry.
देसी हो या वलैती? Let's go.
Ay, Balati to ऐसे नहीं बोलती.
Please go.
Valaiti means a foreigner.
देसी हो या वलैती? Let's go. I have an appointment at 4 o'clock. I'll give you $10 more, okay?
देसी रिश्वत देने से बाज नहीं आता है.
What?
Rishwat is a bribe. रिश्वत देने से बाज नहीं आता. बाज आना is to stop. रिश्वत देने से बाज नहीं आता. Cannot stop bribing.
देसी रिश्वत देने से बाज नहीं आता है.
What?
He's implying that in the South Indian community, bribing is pretty common. So the word to remember here is baaz ana, very common word. Baaz aa jao, behave yourself. Baaz aa jao.
जी निगर जी आई एम ऑन माई वे ओनली 10 minutes. Okay.
Babysitter? Are you babysitter?
What?
You sit baby.
No.
She said baby.
You Indian?
Australian.
She's lying.
Oh, इतनी सांवली और Australian?
Savli. So savli means a brown colored skin. Savli. Tum savli ho means your face is brown. Savli. Savli.
Oh, इतनी सांवली और Australian? लो दसो.
ड्राइव करो.
हाँ वही तो कर रहा हूँ. You Bangladeshi?
You can see that she is using a casual imperative to exert dominance. She's not using the polite imperative here because she's kind of frustrated with this cab driver because he keeps talking and she doesn't want to talk. And I think he's just a very friendly person, I guess. Does it happen in your country? Do Uber drivers talk to passengers? And do you like talking to the drivers?
आपका मसला क्या है?
Oh, इतनी चुपती हुई आवाज किसी पाकिस्तानी औरत की ही हो सकती है.
बहुत अच्छा लगा जान के.
ओहो, अभी तो मैंने जान पहचान कराई नहीं.
आपका मसला क्या है? What is your problem? आपका मसला क्या है? Your problem is what? What is your problem? And in return, he said something not too polite. He implied that her voice is grating and is unpleasant. Chupti hui means poking. Chubna is to poke. Something that is prickly. चुपती हुई आवाज़, a grating voice, an unpleasant voice.
आपका मसला क्या है?
ओह, इतनी चुपती हुई आवाज़ किसी पाकिस्तानी औरत की ही हो सकती है।
बहुत अच्छा लगा जान के।
ओहो, अभी तो मैंने जान पहचान कराई नहीं।
जानना is to know, बहुत अच्छा लगा जान के, it's good to know, बहुत अच्छा लगा जान के. Obviously she is being sarcastic here. अच्छा लगा जान के, I felt good. अच्छा लगा means to feel good. बुरा लगना is to feel bad. Lagna is to feel, but it has like 20 to 30 other meanings, but here it means to feel. अच्छा लगना, अच्छा लगा जान के. This is all in the past tense.
बहुत अच्छा लगा जान के।
ओहो, अभी तो मैंने जान पहचान कराई नहीं।
जान पहचान is to get to know someone. जान पहचान होना, मेरी उससे जान पहचान है. I know her, I know him. जान पहचान is I'm acquainted, I know this person. जान पहचान करवाना is to introduce. जान पहचान करवाना, जान पहचान करवाई नहीं. I didn't introduce myself.
वैसे मेरा नाम इमरान पट्टी है, और आपका?
He's introducing himself and that's uncalled for.
हैं?
गाड़ी रोके।
ये क्या नाम हुआ?
गाड़ी रोके और उतार दे मुझे, मैं दूसरी टैक्सी ले लेती हूँ।
अरे छोड़े, इस वक्त टैक्सी आपको आसानी से नहीं मिलेगी यहाँ से।
She's not really interested in knowing him, as you can see.
और फिर निकतबाजी ने निकल जाना है, फायदा।
आप मेरी कॉन्वर्सेशन सुन रहे थे?
गाड़ी रोके means stop the car. रोकना is to stop. रोके, रोके, stop it. She's using a subjunctive form here. Subjunctive mood is also used as a command. To watch my grammar videos, you can go to grammar playlist.
हैं?
गाड़ी रोके।
ये क्या नाम हुआ?
गाड़ी रोके और उतार दे मुझे।
उतार दें, drop me, drop me off. उतार दें, उतारना is to drop someone off.
अरे छोड़े।
छोड़े means leave it. छोड़ना is to leave. Leave someone. It's a transitive verb. छोड़े, leave it. It's again using a subjunctive form. Subjunctive form is used quite a lot in colloquial Urdu.
और फिर निकतबाजी ने निकल जाना है, फायदा।
आप मेरी कॉन्वर्सेशन सुन रहे थे?
निगतबाजी ने निकल जाना है. निगतबाजी ने निकल जाना है. He's referring to the client she was talking about on the phone earlier. She works in a hair salon and Nigat is someone who is waiting for her in the salon, and that's why she's in a hurry and kind of really agitated at the moment because he's just making fun of her. He's making impolite comments, so that's why she's not taking it.
अरे मैं आपसे कौन सा कोई 150 किलोमीटर दूर बैठा हूँ, याद है मैं तो बैठा हूँ, आवाज़ तो आई
कौन
जाती
सा
है।
1.5 किलोमीटर बैठा हूँ, 1.5 किलोमीटर दूर बैठा हूँ. 1.5 is 1.5. I'm not sitting 1.5 kilometers away from you.
अरे मैं आपसे कौन सा कोई 150 किलोमीटर दूर बैठा हूँ, याद है मैं तो बैठा हूँ, आवाज़ तो आई जाती है।
I'm sitting right beside you. I'm pausing these clips a lot to explain conjugations and construction. If you want to watch this drama, go in the description. I'll put the link there.
प्लीज जल्दी चलाएं और मुझे ड्रॉप कर दें।
जी जी वही तो कर रहा हूँ, चला ही तो रहा हूँ।
Chalana is to drive. To drive a car, to ride a bicycle, to turn something on is also chalana. For example, AC chalaएं, turn on the AC, गाड़ी चलाएं, drive the car, bicycle चलाएं, ride the bicycle. So chalana is pretty common word.
वैसे पाकिस्तान में कौन से शहर से ताल्लुक है आपका? मेरा ताल्लुक जो है ना वो लालू ताउड़ से है।
कहाँ से?
लालू ताउड़।
पाकिस्तान में कौन से शहर से ताल्लुक है आपका? ताल्लुक means belong. You're belonging to which city in Pakistan? पाकिस्तान में in Pakistan belonging to which city? किस शहर से ताल्लुक है? Which city do you belong to?
मेरा ताल्लुक जो है ना वो लालू ताउड़ से है।
कहाँ से?
लालू तावड़
मेरा ताल्लुक means my belonging, my relation is from Lallu Taur. Like the name of the place is a bit weird because Lallu means someone who is dumb, who is naive and stupid. That's a slang word. Tum lallu ho, you're so dumb. Tum lallu ho, you're so naive.
जाए पैदाइश है मेरी वहाँ की, पंजाब का शहर है.
Jai Pedaish means a place where you were born. Jai Pedaish. Jai means place, Pedaish means born, birth. So the place where you're born is Jai Pedaish.
पंजाब का शहर है.
ये कैसा नाम है लल्लू टावर?
आप चाहें तो गूगल करके,
पंजाब का शहर है. It's the city of Punjab.
चाहें तो गूगल करके देख लें.
इतना टाइम नहीं है मेरे पास.
अच्छा, बस फिर हम जो खानदान वाले हैं ना सारे के सारे, वो कराची शिफ्ट हो गए. अब हम वहीं रहते हैं.
So in Urdu we use shift hona as to move. We don't use the verb to move a lot. So I've moved to this new place. Instead we'll say I shifted to this new place. So to shift and to relocate is shift hona.
खानदान वाले हैं ना सारे के सारे, वो कराची शिफ्ट हो गए. अब हम वहीं रहते हैं. मेरा एक
अब
बड़ा
हम वहीं रहते हैं. Now we live there. वहीं means वहाँ is there, but here वहीं is used to emphasize like only there we live. अब हम वहीं रहते हैं.
मेरा एक बड़ा भाई है, भाभी है, मेरा एक भांजा भी है जमशेद. अम्मी है मेरी, बड़ी प्यारी अम्मी है मेरी, बड़ी प्यारी.
बड़ी प्यारी अम्मी है means my mother is lovely. प्यारी means lovely, beautiful, cute.
बस मैं फिर 14-15 साल पहले आ गया था यहाँ अमेरिका ना. जब मैं अमेरिका आया था ना जी, तो कोई टोटल 160 के करीब डॉलर थे मेरे पास. बड़ी मेहनत की मैंने.
मेहनत करना is to work hard. He's telling her that I worked hard. I came here 14 to 15 years ago and I worked really hard.
160 के करीब डॉलर थे मेरे पास. बड़ी मेहनत की मैंने. मैं कहा लो भाई अब आगे हैं तो कुछ करके ही जाना है.
करके ही जाना है means will go after doing something. कर means do, के means after, करके means after doing, जाना है, will go.
बड़ी बड़ी मुख्तलिफ नौकरियां की हैं. पेट्रोल पंप पे काम किया है.
नौकरी करना is to do a job. नौकरी करना, बहुत मुख्तलिफ नौकरियां की. I've done different jobs. I was just distracted by cooking in the background.
रेस्टोरेंट पे काम किया. आप यकीन करें कि अंग्रेज़ों के कुत्ते तक नहलाए हैं मैंने. लेकिन
So here we can learn two verbs. First verb is यकीन करना, which is to believe me. आप यकीन करें. Believe me. आप यकीन करें. अंग्रेज़ों के means अंग्रेज़ is English. People who are white. Angrez, like it can be American as well, because here he's living in New York, so here he's using the word Angrez for Americans. Nehlana is to give a bath, so here he's saying that he used to wash the dogs of American or white people.
रेस्टोरेंट पे काम किया. आप यकीन करें कि अंग्रेज़ों के कुत्ते तक नहलाए हैं मैंने. लेकिन
For white people, the word or the slang that is usually used is gora. Gora means white, fair colored skin is gora, or gori for female.
कसम से हिम्मत नहीं हारा मैं. बस फिर अल्लाह ने बाँह पकड़ ली मेरी. ये गाड़ी आ गई मेरे हाथ, और फिर बस क्या था ऊपर वाले
गाड़ी आ गई. गाड़ी आ गई means the car came. The verb that is used here is आ जाना. गाड़ी आ गई, the गाड़ी came. मेरे हाथ means in my possession. मेरे हाथ गाड़ी आ गई.
करम हुआ कि हर तरफ पट्टी पट्टी हो गई. हैं? हाँ.
अरे यहाँ रोके, यहाँ बस. How much?
हर तरफ पट्टी पट्टी हो गई. I guess this is a Punjabi phrase. I don't know Punjabi very well, but what it means is that he flourished after that because the car business worked out. He became an Uber driver and he became successful in this job.
करम हुआ कि हर तरफ पट्टी पट्टी हो गई हैं? हाँ
अरे यहाँ रोके, यहाँ बस। How much?
बने तो $25 हैं, लेकिन आप 20 दे दीजिए।
क्यों?
5 डिस्काउंट दे रहा हूँ। $2.5 पाकिस्तानी होने का और $2.5 ईद मुबारक कहने का। कल ईद है।
Because it's Eid and he's really happy, and it's difficult to find the people of your own country, so he was very happy and kind of giving her a discount. That's very sweet.
डिस्काउंट दे रहा हूँ। $2.5 पाकिस्तानी होने का और $2.5 ईद मुबारक कहने का। कल ईद है।
Dhai is 2.5 and there is 1.5. I can never understand why 1.5 and 2.5 have specific words for them. Dhai Pakistani hone ka means he's giving her a discount of $2.5 for being a Pakistani. And Eid hone ka, because it's Eid tomorrow. Hone ka means of being.
आपको ईद मुबारक तो नहीं कहा?
हाँ तो कह दीजिए ना, सवाब भी मिलेगा और डिस्काउंट भी।
कह देना means say it. कह देना. It's again a compound verb. Dena, lena and jana is used as a second verb in compound verbs. I have made some videos about it, and if I've already posted it, I'll put a link here. Sawab bhi milega or discount bhi. Sawab is a reward by God, by Allah, because it's a concept in Islam. You'll get reward if you perform good deeds. So if she says Eid Mubarak, she'll get the reward from Allah. This is just a joke.
एक तीर में दो शिकार।
ये ले, $30 है, 10 एक्स्ट्रा है। आप किसी और को ईद मुबारक कह दीजिएगा।
अरे ये क्या किया आपने? क्या किस
एक तीर से दो शिकार. एक तीर is an arrow, शिकार is a prey. एक तीर से with one arrow, 2 preys. So it's a idiom, it's a Hindi and Urdu idiom. What it means is to kill the bird with one stone. एक तीर से दो शिकार.
अरे ये क्या किया आपने? क्या किस किस्म की औरत है भैया आप? मेरे केक के ऊपर ही बैठ गई
Oh
आप।
no, she destroyed his cake.
किस्म की औरत है भैया आप? मेरे केक के ऊपर ही बैठ गई आप।
आई एम सो सॉरी, नया ले लीजिएगा।
हद हो गई है, इस वक्त कहाँ से केक मिलेगा?
किस किस्म की औरत हैं? What kind of woman are you? Qism is kind. औरत is woman and women.
नया ले लीजिएगा।
हद हो गई है, इस वक्त कहाँ से केक
ले
मिलेगा?
लेना is to buy. Lena is to take. But in Pakistan and I think in India as well, we use lena as the verb to buy. Le lena is to buy. This is again used as a compound verb. Le lijega, buy another one. Naya le lijega, buy a new one.
बर्बाद कर दिया मेरा केक, सारा स्टिकर बना दिया आपने।
बर्बाद करना. बर्बाद is to destroy. बर्बाद कर दिया. बर्बाद कर देना is to destroy. Again, you can notice that we use a lot of compound verbs. बर्बाद कर देना, to ruin something. It's a transitive verb. आपने बर्बाद कर दिया. You have ruined it. You have destroyed it. He's quite upset because she sat on his cake. I think he bought it to eat it on Eid day or kind of distribute it amongst friends.
तो फिर किसी को ईद मुबारक कह दीजिएगा।
ओहो, अजीब औरत है यार।
अजीब औरत means what a strange woman, what a weird woman.
ईद मुबारक, अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
This is another story. So this is a woman, I think her name is Michelle, and she owns a restaurant in New York City in Jackson Heights, and most of the cab drivers come to eat at her place. And I think this is her encounter with this man who is her friend. It's an Eid day, I guess. Eid morning. Let's watch it.
अरे हाय इतनी सुबह
Are is an exclamation sound. She's surprised. Are तुम यहाँ? You here? Are? Like that.
इतनी सुबह सुबह, वो भी वीकेंड पे?
आज ईद है।
ओह आई टोटली फॉरगॉट। ईद मुबारक।
Itni subah subah. Subah is morning and subah subah means early morning. Subah subah. Itni subah subah. Early morning. Itni subah subah. And she just forgot that it's Eid because I think that she doesn't celebrate Eid.
I totally forgot. Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak is the greeting you say on Eid, especially in the morning when you're meeting people and hugging people.
तुम नमाज पढ़ने गए थे?
तुम्हें क्या लगता है
इतने अच्छे कब से हो गए?
Eid की नमाज पढ़ना is quite a common tradition. People go to the mosque, celebrate, they hug each other, they say their greetings, give gifts, etc. So she's saying you went to perform the Eid prayer.
नमाज पढ़ने गए थे?
तुम्हें क्या लगता है
इतने अच्छे कब से हो गए?
इतने अच्छे कब से हो गए? Since when have you become so good? इतने अच्छे, this good, कब से? Since when? हो गए, became. इतने अच्छे तुम कब से हो गए?
भाई अम्मी ने सुबह सुबह ईद विश करने के लिए फोन करके उठा दी।
थैले में क्या है?
थैला is a shopper, plastic shopper.
उठ ही गया था तो मैंने सोचा कि ब्रेकफास्ट कर लेना चाहिए, और अकेले वीकेंड पर ब्रेकफास्ट करना मुझे ज़रा भी पसंद नहीं है।
ब्रेकफास्ट कर लेना चाहिए, breakfast कर लेना चाहिए. Breakfast is नाश्ता. They're obviously using a lot of English words because it's quite common in Urdu to use a lot of English words. Even in Pakistan, people prefer using English words in Urdu, and that's quite a common thing. Sometimes they speak English. Specifically in Islamabad, most people speak English because most of the foreigners live here.
उठ ही गया था तो मैंने सोचा कि ब्रेकफास्ट कर लेना चाहिए, और अकेले वीकेंड पर ब्रेकफास्ट करना मुझे ज़रा भी पसंद नहीं है।
You can use this construction, breakfast कर लेना चाहिए, should do breakfast, need to do breakfast, मुझे breakfast कर लेना चाहिए, I should do breakfast, मुझे means by me or to me, breakfast कर लेना, to do breakfast चाहिए, need to, or the breakfast should be done by me. That's the literal translation. This is not written in any books, I just made it up, so this is like a literal translation. मुझे जाना चाहिए, I need to go, I should go, मुझे जाना चाहिए.
अकेले वीकेंड पर ब्रेकफास्ट करना मुझे ज़रा भी पसंद नहीं है।
मुझे पसंद नहीं है, I don't like. मुझे means to me or by me, बिल्कुल, at all, पसंद नहीं है, not liked, it's not liked by me at all, it's not appealing to me. Actually likes doing breakfast, he just doesn't like being alone while doing it.
अच्छा हिंदी बोलना कम करो, मुझे बताओ थैले में क्या है?
मफिन्स एंड पैनकेक्स।
हिंदी बोलना कम करो. हिंदी बोलना means to speak Hindi कम करो, decrease it. Like don't speak so much Hindi with me, because Hindi and Urdu are mutually intelligible and share the common grammar. These languages are pretty similar.
I hate you.
I know. तुम्हारे रेस्टोरेंट में इतनी अच्छी कॉफी क्यों नहीं मिलती?
क्योंकि ये मैंने खुद बनाई है.
No wonder तुम्हारा रेस्टोरेंट इतना अच्छा चलता है.
मिलना is to get, quite a common verb, मिलना. तुम्हारे रेस्टोरेंट में, in your restaurant, इतनी अच्छी, this good कॉफ़ी क्यों नहीं मिलती? Can't I get this coffee in your restaurant?
क्योंकि ये मैंने खुद बनाई है.
खुद means by myself. This is the present perfect tense. मैंने खुद बनाई है. I have made it myself. Coffee is feminine, so it's बनाई है.
क्योंकि ये मैंने खुद बनाई है.
No wonder तुम्हारा रेस्टोरेंट इतना अच्छा चलता है.
Very funny.
चलना is to run. Run something, to operate something, or to walk. चलना is to walk as well.
अच्छा बॉम्बे में सबका क्या हाल है?
ठीक है.
क्या हाल है means how are you? It's again a kind of greeting that people say to each other. क्या हाल है? How is it going? How is your health?
अच्छा बॉम्बे में सबका क्या हाल है?
ठीक है.
बॉम्बे में, in Bombay, that means that the guy is from Bombay. He's from India. बॉम्बे में सबका क्या हाल है? How is everyone in Bombay?
ईद की वजह से एक्साइटेड साउंड कर रहे थे.
क्यों? तुम नहीं हो?
यार हाई स्टडीज करने
She's
आया
saying
था
that aren't you excited? तुम नहीं हो? तुम पुरजोश नहीं हो? तुम excited नहीं हो?
स्टडीज करने आया था अमेरिका और उस वक्त से यहाँ हूँ. इट्स बीन क्वाइट सम टाइम, इसलिए बिल्कुल ठंडा पड़ चुका हूँ.
So he's saying that higher studies करने आया था. I had come to do higher studies. This is the past perfect tense. I had come to do higher studies. Higher studies करने आया था. उस वक्त से from that time. उस वक्त से from that time यहीं हूँ. I'm here. काफ़ी ठंडा पड़ चुका हूँ. My emotions have dried up. I became quite enthusiastic about these festivals, about these occasions because he has been living in America for quite some time.
क्रिकेट मैच देखते हुए तुम्हारा अंदर का इंडियन बहुत एक्साइटेड हो जाता है.
That's different.
This is so funny because whenever I teach my Pakistani American students, they become quite excited when watching cricket. Cricket brings people together, I guess.
जब बात तेंदुलकर की, you have to show some respect.
हाँ, लेकिन शोएब अख्तर ने उसे बोल्ड कर दिया था ना.
So Tendulkar was a player in Indian cricket team at the time when this drama was released, and Shoaib Akhtar was Pakistani bowler, a phenomenal one.
Excuse me, एक दफा गलती से. यार तुम पाकिस्तानी भी पीछा नहीं
Ghalti se means by mistake. So she's kind of teasing him that, oh, Shoaib Akhtar has defeated Tendulkar once, and the guy is saying, oh, ghalti se, it was by mistake, it was by chance, by coincidence.
यार तुम पाकिस्तानी भी पीछा नहीं छोड़ते.
पीछा छोड़ना is to stop chasing. पीछा छोड़ना. You Pakistani can't stop chasing. तुम पाकिस्तानी पीछा नहीं छोड़ते. You guys don't stop chasing. You don't quit.
कब से पाकिस्तान को प्रोपेगेट करना शुरू कर दिया?
जस्ट टीजिंग यू, तंग कर रही हूँ तुम्हें.
तंग करना is to tease someone, to harass someone, to bother someone. तंग नहीं करो. Don't bother me. Don't harass me.
और मारिया से बात हुई लेटली?
लंदन में ही है. एल्बर्ट और बच्चे भी बिल्कुल ठीक है.
That's good. और पाकिस्तान की कोई खबर?
पाकिस्तान की कोई खबर means any news from Pakistan. खबर means news. पाकिस्तान की कोई खबर means that any news from your relatives in Pakistan.
और पाकिस्तान की कोई खबर?
पाकिस्तान में मेरा अपना कोई राय नहीं है, तो क्या खबर है?
मेरा अपना means my own, my close, my acquaintance, my friends. कोई रहा ही नहीं है. Nobody lives there anymore. Nobody is alive there anymore. कोई रहा ही नहीं है. Nobody is there.
क्यों, तुम्हारी एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली तो है ना वहाँ पे?
आई थिंक वो मेरे बारे में जानने के लिए उतना ही इंटरेस्टेड है जितना मैं उनके बारे में जानना चाहती हूँ.
मेरे बारे में means about me. वो मेरे बारे में जानने में इतना ही इंटरेस्टेड हैं जितना मैं. यानी like she's not interested in knowing them and they are not interested in knowing her. So that means she's not excited to hear from anyone in Pakistan.
Great muffins, by the way. Very nice.
I love it.
I'll stop here. Let me know if you had as much fun as I had. If you want to support me, you can support me on Patreon. If you want to get the transcript, vocabulary and grammar notes, you can become a Patreon. I hope you have a great day. I'll see you later and I wish you the best of luck. Goodbye.